what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sade. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. So today's vlog is actually a weekend vlog. I didn't do a weekly vlog this week just because my hair's been a mess, and as you can see, it's still a mess. But I had to have a talk with myself, and I said, self, we're practicing discipline and consistency. So don't come up with no excuse talking about your hair look crazy. It look crazy, I agree, but I still want to put out content for y'all, so bear with me. This vlog, my hair will be looking a little crazy until I decide to do it. As y'all know, my vacation is coming up, so I'm just like letting myself breathe, my hair breathe, my nails breathe, everything before I actually, like, you know, start getting dolled up and stuff for vacation. So today is July 23rd. It's Saturday, July 23rd. I am heading on the road right now. I'm going to Costco. I'm rocking with Kai today. Say hi, Baba. Say hi. Say hi, day ones. Say hi. I want to get a GoPro, and I've been, like, you know, researching and stuff like that. I wanted a GoPro since like last year, and I said anytime I go back to Jamaica, I'll get a GoPro. And I'm going back to Jamaica, so I'm gonna get a GoPro. I was gonna get the GoPro 8. I think this up to a GoPro 10 right now. I was gonna get the 8 just because I'm not gonna use it as much, especially when I'm here in the US and stuff like that. But I have a Costco membership. Costco is basically like a wholesale. It's like BJ's and Sam's Club and those type of things. So that's where I actually bought my drone last year. Yeah, so that's where I actually bought my drone. So I was just like Googling GoPros and stuff on Amazon and just like on Google. And I noticed that Costco had GoPros. They had a deal on GoPro, but I didn't know it was for this week. So I called them this morning and asked them which ones they had in stock. They only had the 10 in stock, and like I told you, I wanted the 8, but right now the 8 is going for like 3 something on Amazon. Costco is having a deal right now, and it actually ends today. I didn't know that it ended today. I found out when I called them this morning for $100 off. So I'm getting it for basically $3.90, and it's the 10, and I get 2 batteries, a memory card, a case, and everything. So it's like a bundle. So you can't beat that, because on Amazon they were only sending the camera and 1 battery for $300, and I think I saw for like 50 something or 45, somewhere there. So I was like, might as well get this $3.91, and you know, I'm getting stuff with it. And that's basically what I got with my drone as well. I got an extra battery, I got SD cards and everything. So Costco, if you want your electronics, because Costco be coming through. So I'm gonna go get it, because I'm trying to give y'all some content in Jamaica. Okay, we're getting you content in the air, on the land, and underwater, period. Me not swim underwater though. Sweetie, I go carry camera underwater.
I can't swim.
You can't swim? No. Yeah, fish.
Why?
But yeah, so that's where we're about to go. But oh my god, my stomach hurts so bad. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, complaining y'all in the previous vlog that my AirPod wasn't working and stuff like that. So I also got a new AirPod. I'm actually gonna go pick it up at the Apple store once I'm going to Costco. So this vlog, I don't know what exactly we're about to do. It's kind of gonna be all over the place. We're gonna go get makeup, because I need makeup for Jamaica. I need makeup for videos that I need to film. We're gonna go get this camera. There's a party tonight, but I don't know if mommy wanna watch Kai. Everybody's going. Shav is going, Tweez is going, Aiswell is going, and me wanna go too. Like, me and somebody picking the door, and I kind of want to go tonight. So I don't know if I could get my hair braided and stuff like that. I'll figure it out. But anyway, let's get this vlog on the road, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. You took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you balls, you can't even pay me enough to react. You waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory, yeah, hey. Shawty come sit on my lap, hey. They saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack, and don't end up making it back.
While I'm at Costco, I see that they have my body wash on sale, so I'm gonna pick up some body wash. I didn't get the GoPro yet, but I picked up, because basically you just pick up the card, you have to pay for it, and then they'll bring the camera to you. So this is the body wash that I use. Love, love, love. I've tried this one recently and I love this as well. So they have the variety pack, so I'm actually gonna get this. It's on sale for $15, and at Target, one of these, y'all, at Target is like $9. So if you buy 3 at Target, you're paying like $27 and it's $15. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this as well, because this is popping. It has the one I usually get, and then it has the purple one that I love. So this peach and cherry blossom one would be a new one that I'll try, but I honestly, every Olay product that I've tried I love, so I'm pretty sure I'll love that one as well. I'm not gonna look around anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead and pay for these because I did not come here for that, but I'm going to Jamaica, so I need this. I was planning on buying it anyway, might as well buy it here for a steal. I have to go to self checkout and then we're gonna head out. If this is what hell feels like, I need to get my life together. Because I am telling y'all, it is so, I had an earpin, oh, there we go. I knew I had an earpin. It is so hot outside, y'all. Like, my car is saying right now it's 100 degrees. I look crazy. I already gave y'all the disclaimer, so we move. But it's so hot outside, and I felt so bad bringing Kai with me, but it's literally, I was in and out in like 5 minutes. The GoPros were exactly in the front. My intention was to go in, because it's funny, because I came here maybe 2 weeks ago and I was looking around and I didn't see the GoPro out anywhere, but I didn't ask or anything because I was just shopping around. But when I called, they said they had 13 in stock, so I was like, I need to come here before they're gone or whatever. So my intention was to just go in, find an employee, get it, and leave. But they were actually just right in the front when I walked in. So I got the little cardboard stock thing, and then while I was heading to checkout, I saw the body washes on sale. I'm gonna do a hygiene video and tell y'all all about like my faves and stuff, but I'm glad I saw this and I didn't go to Target to get it. Because I've been clearly wasting my money. Not wasting, but I've been overspending at Target, which I know Target's expensive, but I haven't been to Costco in a minute. I wasn't going to Costco at the time when I was buying these from Target. But anyway, so yeah, so I got these. So I don't have to worry about body wash for Jamaica. I think I'm going to take the purple one just to switch up my scent a little bit. You know, it's the summertime, we switch up our scents. But yeah, so this is the camera that I got, y'all. Kai, it came with a case and everything. So when I go home, Kai is getting fussy. If the car isn't moving, Kai gets fussy. So we're about to move. And he was asleep. I actually took him out of the car. That's when he woke up. So I'm pretty sure he'll go right back to sleep because this is around his nap time. But I just wanted to, like, you know, take him out the house and stuff, even though it's hot as hell. But like I said, we only was outside for like 5 minutes. I have to stop at the Apple store. I'm just picking up AirPods like I told y'all. I know somebody that worked there and they got me a discount, so I got 2 AirPods, one for me and one for my mom. Because like I told y'all, when I'm at the gym, mine died like every 20 minutes, and then my mom's, hers fell, I don't know, I feel like our AirPods just, mine been washed in the washing machine. I used to be on the phone in the shower, it dropped, like everything. So I think over a while, and I had my AirPods for a minute, so I think it's just time. I got the same one. I didn't get a newer one. I don't see the point. Kai, like, I don't see the point of getting a new one, honestly. They all do the same thing. I'm just paying extra for look, and I'm not into that. So I got the same one that I had, which is, I think was generation 2. Yeah, I think that's what that was. So anyway, we're about to go to the Apple store, and then after that we're going home. Y'all, I had to call in Cocomelon for some reinforcements. So Kai is listening. He's used to watching, but he's listening. I look crazy. Y'all gonna see the glow up soon. Not in this vlog, but y'all will see the glow up soon in another vlog, okay? Oh, y'all gonna be like, is that the same chick? Yeah, yes, we versatile over here. We can do different looks, period. But anyway, I'm gonna go play Baba for Kai before he gets fussy again. Chamuna baby is no joke. Like, I literally just had to run in the Apple store for a quick minute, and I had to pack up the car seat, put it on the stroller, roll it in, like, It's so, like, I'm exhausted and I only stopped at 2 places. I wanted to stop at Sephora just now because I want to try the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, but I wasn't doing that, and it was a parking spot right there, but I decided not to. I am heading home. Sephora closes at 6. It's 3 o'clock right now, so I'll probably go drop Kai off to his dad and finish off my errands and stuff on the road, because honestly and truly, I can't do it. This is why I like to do stuff when Sweets is off or when my mom is off, so I can just zoop. But I be wanting to like spend time with Kai, take him on the road and stuff, but like it's so hard. Guys, I had to put my bonnet on because it's hot. But I just called to make my nail appointment. They're saying that it's no appointment. Next week is just walk-in. Now that's dangerous because they just be coming up. I swear they just change the rules by the day, because they just be coming up with anything. They don't make appointments on the weekend, which is understandable. Now they're gonna say they don't make appointments during the week. That don't make no sense. But anyway, that just break my vibes talking about they don't make appointments. I didn't even show y'all the camera. Sorry to open it. It came in this cute pouch. I love a pouch, so everything is organized. So yeah, y'all, so this is the GoPro right here. It has a bunch of features that I want to play with. I want to catch a sunrise with it. That's one of my main reasons. Y'all know I can swim, but I don't do like the deep water and stuff. I'm scared, so I'm gonna ask Sweets, my cousin Kim, or Shav to go swimming, so y'all can get some footage there. I got 2 batteries. Came with 2 batteries. This is the battery charger. You got the USB. This is, it looks like it's like a stand that you can put the camera on. Yeah, it look like it. Yeah, so I'm not gonna try to do that right now, but yeah, it looks like a little stand that you can put the camera on, and the manual and everything like that. So yeah, this is what it is. So guys, we're heading to Sephora now. Kai's with his dad. I didn't feel like bringing him back out in this heat. And like I said, I'm just running to Sephora. I just went through the website. I have a bunch of stuff to get, but I'm only gonna get maybe 3 things that I really want to try. I was watching one of my girls on YouTube, and she was recommending some products for the summer that I want to go try out. It's no parking. Ooh. I hate when you think it's a parking and it's a low ass car right there. Like, move. Okay, this lady about to come out. I think I'll have to park right here and walk, which is fine. It is hot, but not me leaving my freaking phone in the house. And it has the list of stuff that I want to try. I was wondering why no music was playing, but I wasn't even thinking about it too hard because I'm vlogging. Guys, I left my phone in the house. I know my hair look crazy, and I apologize. Like, it's even getting to me now. Okay, can we use the shades to like make it not look crazy? I think it look crazier. Listen, I'm gonna just let my mane be. I'm gonna just let it be. I always got it in braids, I always got it cooped up, so we're gonna let it breathe. I left my phone, but I think I remember everything that was in my cart. I should have just paid for it and came and picked it up, but I was like, no, I'm gonna browse and let's go to Sephora. I'm wondering, should I get Starbucks? I'm gonna try the refresher. No, I have water. I don't feel for anything sweet because it's just gonna make me more thirsty for water, and I already have water. So let's go to Sephora. I need to find some quarters for the parking meter.
somebody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad.
Sephora haul. Even though I only got 2 things. But anyway, so I got they only had the mini. I plan to buy the mini anyway, because I buy the mini and everything when I'm trying it. Girl, I'm gonna have to get y'all this haul later, because this girl was like, you coming out? I'm gonna give her, she driving a, you should see her whip. So I'm gonna give her this parking spot because I understand the struggle, and she a sister, so she driving a nice Benz truck, honey. So go ahead, boo, do your thing, because I understand the struggle. So I'm gonna whip it around though. Can I do this legally? I'm sorry, but I'm turning around, sir. You gonna have to wait, because I am so not going all the way up there just to come around. And he gonna drive up on me. Like, you think that's gonna make me go any faster? Or that's supposed to make me skirt? Boy, don't get out of here. I didn't get the body oil shimmer that I wanted. They did not have the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. They had the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, but, and the girl showed me this other one. I forgot the name of it. That was $38, just like the Anastasia one, but I didn't like it that much. I tried it on my hand, and it's giving very much oily, but it's not giving very much shimmer. And I'm more so going for shimmer, because I already have like body oils. So I was gonna get the Tom Ford, like, cause I was like, it's last minute, I need it, da, da, da. But then I was like, girl, let's compare them. So I went and sprayed the Tom Ford on my hand, and I sprayed the Anastasia on my legs. Anastasia out here killing them, because the glow that I'm getting from that, and maybe it's just my skin, and I'm sorry if the lighting is awful. Maybe Tom Ford worked for some people, but I didn't feel like spending $100 on the same side. It's a little bigger than the Anastasia, so I'm not gonna give it no fight, but I didn't want to spend, that could buy Anastasia, like, girl, like 2 times, almost 3. So I didn't get it, long story short. So I'm going to order the Anastasia one online, because I like it better on my skin tone. But anyway, I got I'm at a red light, so I'll show y'all real quick. I got the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, the airbrush setting spray. I keep hearing good things about it, so I'm trying it. And I also got this, I forgot the name of it. I think it's Kosas Airbrow tint thingy. Apparently it helps fill your brow in and whatever, and then, you know, all that. So I have it, no, I wiped it off. I had it on my right brow, and I liked how it looked. It just blended perfectly, it looked very natural. So I got it. This little thing for $24. But we move, because I want to try it. And I feel like I'm treating myself today. Like, who am I? Is this financially conscious, Sade? But can't be. But these aren't necessarily my personal purchases. One thing that I do when it comes to like my YouTube payments and stuff like that, I reinvest it into like YouTube. So these are like stuff that I have a video idea, so it kind of works out that I can also buy stuff for YouTube, but also it's like I'm getting benefit out of it too. So yeah, so everything that I bought today except the AirPods was YouTube transactions. If you are a YouTuber, or influencer if you got a little business. Reinvest in your business, reinvest in whatever is bringing the money in. I just don't feel like I need anything that much that I'm gonna go just use my YouTube money just because, when I know down the line if my camera breaks tomorrow, I want to be able to like, oh, go get one or fix it, and not worrying about where the money's gonna come from to fix it and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Because this is a business if you think about it. I mean, sometimes I don't treat it like a business, you know what I'm saying, but it low-key is. So I'm saying all that to say, you know, reinvest in your business. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I am heading home. It's almost 6 o'clock right now. I want to get my hair braided. I wish I could braid. Like, why can't I braid? If Shop was a girl, I probably would know how to braid, because then I would be practicing. You know what I'm saying? And all my dolls growing up had no hair. Big up good girl Precious. I used to have a doll named Precious, and Precious used to have her stroller. Precious used to have the good things them. Okay? She just never have the ear. She just never have the ear from a brush. Precious it did ball. Heading home. Them boy did a drink NSC and I go on with himself. I prepare for later, guys. Going in, and I'm gonna put my bonnet back on. I'm just gonna chill. Hey guys, it's hours later. I'm going out. I told you I was thinking about going out. Mommy decided to watch Kai. I need to hurry up, because going out with men, one thing about them, they don't really understand like getting ready, makeup and all that. So I don't really have time, so y'all basically just gonna watch me get ready. So I'm trying out the brow thing that I bought today. Hopefully it works, because I am in a rush.
Got that masterpiece, no limit, baby. You get that black car, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Make it say, no limit. I see my.
This is the quickest I've ever done my brows, so that brow thing was worth $24, period. They're still cousins, but we moved.
Baby, you know that you're fine. I'm just trying to make you mine. Trying to make you mine. Yeah, I'm trying to make you mine. Put a tingle in your spine. We got a vibe, we got a way. Girl, you should ride on it. All of the places I could take you, girl, is limitless. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. Cause I may not know you. Just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Make it say, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. No limit, baby. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Baby, the car's on decline. You roll with me and we shine. Baby, we shine. Yeah, little mama, we shine. Just pick a destination. Go ahead, show me you can get like everything. Show me like any car, any house. Baby, you can get like any ring. Anything, then I can knock it down. All through the night, all through the day, yeah. I knock that pussy out. Baby, you call Sugar Ray, yeah. Cause I may not know you. Just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Make it say, no limit. Got that masterpiece, no limit, baby. Give you that black car, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby.
Alright y'all, now I'm gonna try out the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It says party all night, stay all day, so we gonna see. Smells funny. I like to drench my face and then let it dry. But yeah, this is the look for the night. Nice and simple, you know. So I'm actually filming a hair video, so I need to wrap that up before I go out. So y'all, sweets is ready already, so I need to hurry up and get ready to go. Not me tying this all in there. Y'all get to see the behind the scenes of these hair videos. I'm just gonna work it like from it. Okay. When I film a hair video, I have to have like a trash bag right next to me because I hate, like, I be creating a whole mess. Okay, so sometimes I don't get to, y'all see that? No makeup. No makeup. So let's blend, blend, blend. Got my hot comb on deck. I'm almost ready. I just gotta spray my hair now. This is cute. Oh, I mean, nice bad. Nice bad. And camera step out properly. I need to just define the part. I'm going in the bathroom real quick to go wet up my hair. So guys, this is the finished look. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to show y'all the outfit or whatever. I'm gonna bring my camera because I'm gonna vlog for y'all. So let's go. We'll be outside. Guys, the party leave in the bombard. The one night I decided to come out the party door nice. No vibes, no local vibes. Someone say you have I do it. Oh, I didn't even get to show y'all my outfit or anything. I'm gonna have sweets before me. But I'm drinking some Henny and pineapple. But everything else lame. So you can go up in a G party. Say you over my name, not tell about it. Buy a couple of and couple of this.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he can fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up with your boy. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, say a little juvenile coulda run in a yard and take a 3 points. Babylon, Panellian in the street, and the main in the bucky man, Jesus Christ. No make him run, no make him out, no make him sleep. Living nights more, yeah, dash when nobody can find us. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill 2 of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick.
Guys, I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to go home. Guys, we are home. Anyway, guys, we are home. We kind of like, I don't know, I've become such a lightweight, like why am I feel like anyway, I ate up some rice and ackee where I did cook last night. I did cookie, yeah, how I cooked last night. Sweets get food at dance. I don't eat a road.
Hungry?
You eat a road, and not because you're hungry, you eat a road. I don't know, nothing wrong. But yeah, so me come home and come eat my rice and my ackee. And I drink some water. And go wipe off my face, take off my clothes. Hopefully kind of wake up before I do all of this. And I can actually take a look at 5 before Kaya wake up. Like, I feel tired. But the party, we should have stay home. Honestly, truly, talk truth. Yeah, we should have stay home. Like the one time I decided to go out, I'm honestly think that, and the reason why I'm say, alright, I'm going to call last year shop, come back and say party shut. So I'm sorry, this year I got shot. I don't know. I feel like the security them at the gate did do too much. And then the DJ, I don't know where the DJ did do people. Eh? Yes, I. Right. But yeah, so. Why am I going up my arm? Here goes my ackee and rice. Catch y'all later when I get some rest and stuff like that. So, peace. I look for my up and down, so. You like what I see? You like what I see? You love it? Fever. Anyway, guys, I'm finally up. Good morning. Well, it's not even morning. Good evening. Nightlife is not for me. Just got 2 packages. Well, I didn't just get them. I got them over the weekend, but I didn't open them, from Fashion Nova and Pretty Little Thing. So we're about to open them up together, because I remember I was telling y'all that I couldn't find any outfits and stuff, but I did go ahead and place some order. Fashion Nova, it's good to find like everyday clothes on Fashion Nova, but it's hard to like find stuff that you want to wear out. Good dressed up outfit from Pretty Little Thing, so I'm also gonna show y'all that as well. This time around I'm not gonna do a haul or anything like that. Y'all will just, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna, probably when I come back I'll show y'all what I wore on vacation, but I think I want to save those in case I decide to do like Instagrammable pictures. Like, I don't know, like I don't have outfits planned for this trip, nothing. Like, the pieces aren't hitting, but I am confident in myself that I can find something, piece something together to make it look good, you know. So you know, I drink nothing, y'all scratch your gum, and then you gonna start to drink. I woke up this afternoon, and so we got in this morning. I don't think I told you at the time, but we got in this morning like almost 7, I think. And mommy brought Kai in the room probably like almost 8 o'clock, and then Kai was up in and out, so me and Sweets was just taking like turns. I was knocked out, more so Sweets was like taking care of Kai, because I was tired. I'm not about that life. I don't know how I'm about to survive in Jamaica. I used to be about that life. But yeah, so I woke up, I cleaned up and everything. I didn't make the bed yet because Kai was on it. So I'm about to make it, but I cleaned up everything else, and I'm about to go through these packages. Today is Sunday. No cooking now going today. No, I don't already tell them no cooking now going, because usually Sunday morning I'll probably go out and get whatever I'm gonna cook, or probably from Saturday, but we didn't do that, and a Sunday, so it's gonna be one of them Sundays. I don't know. I probably do takeout for myself. I probably do takeout, because, and I'm not one for takeout. Like, I don't be ordering food like that. I don't eat out like that, unless me and my friends are like going out, which is hardly. Y'all see that. Like, when was the last time, you know? But I did promise y'all to open it. So this is my Pretty Little Thing package. I already placed my order on Pretty Little Thing, but I wanted like a outfit. I needed a yellow outfit. This is very much giving like, is it yellow? So I wanted that specific color for a party that I may or may not go to. And then I had picked up this knit set that I like, and I don't know if it's gonna fit though, because it's like that crochet. It's softer than crochet, but oh, it stretches. So yeah, this will fit. So this is like a set. It's pink. They had like a nude one, but I feel like I always go for the nudes and stuff, so let me bring some color. So I got pink, and this is the top for it. What I love about Pretty Little Thing is that you can order the top and the bottom separately. I feel like most places are doing that now, but they used to do that. They were like the first ones who I know who usually do that. So you can get different sizes, because my bottoms and my tops are not necessarily the same size. I always need to like size up on my tops because of my breasts. So yeah, this is a set. I have an idea of how I'm gonna wear this. It's giving thicker than I wanted it to, but the good thing is it's like, you know, it's breathable. So I got this like beach cover-up dress. It's like see-through. I have a like a nude color bathing suit that I can wear under this, and like if I'm going to like Winifred or like Frenchman's Cove or something, and on my way back I want to stop at like Boston Jerk to get some jerk pork or whatever, I could throw this dress on. It's giving. Okay, so these were the only things I got from Pretty Little Things, because I had already placed my Pretty Little Thing order that came already and everything. But I was just searching through the website again, and I really just went to order this, but then I saw these and I got these as well. So yeah, do y'all rinse y'all clothes out before vacation? Because it's very much giving that I need to do laundry for my new clothes. Yeah, let me know down below if y'all wash your clothes before vacation, because some things I do, some things I don't usually, but like if I'm buying new underwear, sleep clothes, whatever, I'm washing them, because I'm not gonna put them in my bed. And like, especially if it's like underwear, bras and all that, I'm washing them. Okay, I'm washing them. This is the Fashion Nova one. Child, I don't remember what's in here. Ooh, I see one thing and I automatically remember. So I got this blue set. Y'all gonna see, like, it's not gonna be like a whole haul, because y'all gonna see. Oh, my phone ringing. So I have to stay tuned on a gram to see what I decide to post. Some of these are, most of the Fashion Nova stuff is just everyday wearing. Y'all see them in the vlog and stuff, so don't worry. But I hope y'all liked our little weekend vlog, our little day and a half together. Sorry I didn't get y'all the weekly vlog this week, but y'all will definitely get one this coming week. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all. Say bye guys. Tell them later. Tell them later. Get them a kissy. Mwah.